How to make a parametric modular kitchen casework in Revit. Let's start. Open the Revit. Open a new family. Select metric casework. Open. Change the scale 1:10. Go to family types. Select the width. Change it to 600 and the depth to 650 millimeter. Okay. Next, create a reference plane. Okay. 3 reference plane. Next, dimension. Select the 2 reference plane. Select the dimension. Create new parameter. Type base offset. Okay. Dimension. Select the 2 reference plane. Select the dimension. Create new parameter. Type backsplash thickness. Okay. Next, go to family types. Let's change the base offset to 75. Okay. Next, select this reference plane or create a reference plane. Create a vertical reference plane for the casework thickness. Okay. Select the reference plane. Change the dimension to 20. Select and lock. Select the reference plane. Mirror. Dimension. Lock. Okay. Next, dimension. Select these 2 reference plane. Select the reference plane. Change the value to 25 millimeter and lock. Okay. Next, select the reference plane. Name it module front face. Okay. Next, let's create a reference plane. Let's create a reference plane for the backing. Dimension. Select the reference plane. Change the dimension to 10 millimeter. Select the dimension and lock. Okay. Next, let's go to front elevation. Select this dimension, unlock and delete. Select this reference plane, delete. Okay. Let's create a reference plane for the base height. Okay. Dimension. Select the dimension. Create new parameter. Type base height. Okay. Let's change the scale to 1:10. Next, let's create a reference plane for the module height. Okay. Dimension. Okay, select the dimension, create new parameter. Type module height. Okay. Next, let's create again a reference plane for the countertop thickness. create reference plane, dimension. Okay, select the dimension, create new parameter. Type countertop thickness. Okay, next, create again reference plane for the backsplash height. Okay, dimension, select the dimension, create new parameter, type backsplash height. Okay, next, dimension, select the reference level and select the countertop. Okay, select the dimension, create new parameter, type countertop height, select instance and reporting parameter. Okay, go to family types. Okay, let's change the backsplash height to 50, base height to 130 millimeter, and the countertop thickness 50 millimeter, module height 720 millimeter. Okay, let's move the module height, backsplash, move. Okay, base height, move. Okay, countertop height, move. So we organize properly, no? Okay, countertop thickness. Okay, apply. Okay, next, let's create a reference plane for the door lip extension. Okay, select the reference plane, change the dimension to 70 millimeter. Okay, select the dimension and lock. Okay, next, go to reference level. Now let's create an extrusion for the base. Select the rectangle, draw a rectangle. Okay, align, select this reference plane, align the line. Okay, align, lock, then align to the base offset, align, lock. Okay, finish. Go to front elevation, pull the arrow. Okay, cancel, align, select this reference level, align the edge, select this reference plane. Okay, reference level, let's create an extrusion for the module. Create a rectangle, align, select reference plane, align, lock, align, lock, align, lock. Okay, select this reference plane, module front face. Okay, lock, go to front elevation, pull the arrow, align, select this reference plane, align the edge, lock, select this reference plane, align, lock. Okay, let's create a reference plane, one here and one here. Dimension, select the reference plane, change the value to 20 millimeter, and lock. Okay, dimension, okay, select the reference plane, change the value to 20 millimeter, select and lock. Okay, now let's create a void. Select extrusion, rectangle, draw a rectangle, align. Okay, align, select this reference plane, align, lock. Select this reference plane, align, lock. Okay, next select this reference plane, select the line, lock. Finish. Go to front elevation, pull the arrow, align, select this reference plane, select this line, lock, select this reference plane, lock. Okay, let's check the 3D. Okay, next select the inside box, solid void, select the void. Okay, select cut, select this box, select the void. Okay, so you have the module. Go back to reference level. Let's create now the countertop. Select the rectangle. Okay, create a rectangle, align. Okay, align. Okay, select, align, lock, select, align, lock. Okay, finish. Front elevation, pull the arrow, then align, select this reference plane, align, lock. Select, align, lock. Okay, let's check the 3D. Okay, we have the countertop. Let's change the graphic display to realistic. Go back to reference level. Let's create the backsplash. Select the rectangle, draw a rectangle, align. Okay, lock, align. Okay, select this reference plane, align, select, align, lock, finish. Go back to front elevation, pull the arrow, align, select this reference plane, align, lock, select this reference plane, align, lock. Okay, go back to 3D. Okay, so we have the casework. Select the base, go to material and finishes, pick the button and create a new parameter. Name it base finish. Okay, okay. Next, select the module, material and finishes, pick the button and create new parameter. Type module finish. Okay, okay. Next, select the countertop, material and finishes, create new parameter, name it countertop finish. Okay, okay. Next, select the backsplash, material and finishes, create new parameter, type backsplash finish. Okay, Okay, next go to family types. Let's move the module finish or the base finish down, module finish up, countertop, then backsplash. Perfect. Now select the material for the backsplash. Okay, select the default, duplicate, and select an image. Okay, let's select a color image. I have a color image in my library. Texture, colors. So let's select the abalone. It's a white color. Open. Okay, right click the default and rename abalone backsplash. Okay, next apply, countertop finish, duplicate the abalone backsplash and rename it to abalone countertop. Okay, apply. Next, module finish, select the materials, duplicate the abalone countertop and change it to abalone module. Okay, next apply, base finish, select a materials, go to material library, select the AEC materials, select the metal and look for stainless steel brush. Right click and rename it to stainless steel brush base. Okay, apply. Okay, next let's select the backsplash, go to graphics, visible, pick the button, create new parameter. Let's type a visibility parameter, name it backsplash on and off. Okay, okay, next select the countertop. Let's create visibility parameters. Okay, name it countertop on/off. Okay, next select the module or select the base, select the module. Let's create a visibility parameters. Okay, create new parameter and type module on and off. Okay, okay, next select the base. Let's create a visibility parameter, type base on off. Okay, okay, next go to family types. Let's check, let's move the base down. Okay, next go to family types again. Let's try the parameters. Let's try the width, change it to 400, the backsplash height 300. Okay, perfect. Let's go back to 50, width 600. Let's try the depth 800. Okay, let's go back to 650. Next Okay, let's create a door panel. Open a new family, select the metric generic face base. Okay, open. Okay, now let's create a reference plane. Draw a 2 vertical reference plane. Select this one, mirror, dimension, or let's create one more. Okay, next, dimension. Select the dimension, create new parameter, type height, make it instance. Okay, let's change the scale to 1:10. Okay, next, dimension. Select the 3 reference plane, make it equal, dimension, select the dimension, and create new parameter, type width. Okay, make it instance. Okay, let's go to front, change the scale to 1:10. Let's create a reference plane for the thickness. Okay, dimension, select the reference level, select the reference plane, select the dimension, and create parameter, type thickness, select instance. Okay, go to family types, modify the thickness, select the instance. Okay, change the height value to 700, the thickness to 22 millimeter, and the width to 600. Okay, next, go back to reference level. Let's create an extrusion. Select the rectangle, align. Okay, align. Okay, next, finish. Go to front, elevation, align, select the reference plane, align, and lock. Okay, next, let's create a reference plane for the pull handle height. Okay, let's make a 30 millimeter, select, and lock. Go back to reference level. Let's create a reference plane, draw a reference plane. Okay, select, make it 40. Okay, copy 10 millimeter. Okay, dimension, select, and lock. Okay, dimension and lock. Okay, create reference plane. Okay, select, mirror, dimension, select the 3 reference plane, make it equal, dimension, select the dimension, and let's create a new parameter. Make it instance and type pull handle width. Okay, next, let's create the handle, select the extrusion, select the rectangle, draw a rectangle. Okay, align, lock, align, lock. Okay, align, lock. Then finish, go to front elevation, pull the arrow, align, select this reference plane, align, lock. Select this reference plane, align, lock. Okay, let's check the 3D. Okay, let's select the realistic, select the door, go to material and finishes, create new parameter and type door finish. Okay, okay. Next, select the pull handle, go to materials and finishes, create new parameter and type pull handle finish. Okay, okay. Next, go to family types. Let's apply the materials, select the door finish, select the AEC, select the wood, select a oak white, insert. Okay, go to appearance, pick the image, go to rotation, change it to 90 degrees. Okay, right click, let's rename it to oak white door. Okay, apply. Next, full handle finish, select the materials, select AEC, go to metal and select the stainless steel polish, insert, rename to pull handle. Okay, next, change the value of the pull handle to apply. Okay, family types, change the pull handle width to 400. Okay, okay. Next, save the family. Let's save this to desktop, name it door panel plane. Save. Load into the project. Okay, escape, go to front elevation, select realistic, insert again the door panel, insert, place on face, pick here. Okay, align, select the center line and select the center of the door panel, lock, align, select this edge. Okay, lock. Okay, next, let's create a reference plane for the gap. Okay, draw reference plane dimension. Okay, select the reference plane, change the dimension to 6 mm. select the dimension and lock. Align, select this reference plane and select this edge. Okay. Next, select the door panel, go to width, pick the button and create new parameter. Type door width. Okay. Next, select the pull handle width, pick the button and create new parameter. Type pull handle width. Okay. Next, go to family types, go to door width. Let's move this down. Okay, select the full handle width, move down. Okay, now let's create a formula for the door width. Select the width, type the width, and width minus 6 millimeter. Okay, so we create a gap on each side, 3 millimeter. Okay, next, full handle. Let's create a formula. Width minus 100 millimeter. Okay. Next, go to view. Let's check the right elevation. Perfect. Okay. Next, go to family types. Let's try the parameters. Change the width to 800. Go back to 600. Depth 800. Okay, perfect. Go back to 650. Apply. Okay, backsplash height 500. Okay, go back to 50. Backsplash thickness 10 millimeter. Okay, go back to 20. Countertop thickness 100 millimeter. Okay, perfect. Go back to 50. Okay, one more for the modular notes. Let's put a note: modular typical sizes. Okay, for the depth of the modular cabinet, the available size is 600, 650 and 800 millimeter. Okay, for the module height, okay, the available size is 600 and 720 millimeter. Okay, and for the base height, the available size is 100 millimeter, 130 millimeter and 160 millimeter. Other than that is all customized. Okay, see you on part 2. Thank you.